Before we start this video, I just want to let you know this is going to be sort of like a vlog thing. This is my first time trying this, so let me know if you like it. Drop a comment below if you like it. If not, also let me know, drop a comment. I'll take that feedback into consideration and change the next videos that I want, because I don't know if you guys want vlog kind of stuff like cars, travel, or if you guys want like strictly e-com, business content like that. So let me know, drop the comments below, and I will keep it going for you guys. Thank you so much for your support. What's up, guys? Here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Today, we are finally taking the Porsche to get some new wheels and some new tires. I got my boy Brooks right there. You gotta help me take these over to the shop. Alright, so it's the next day now, and they still haven't finished putting on the wheels on my car. So hopefully they do that today, but anyways, I just got back from school and I realized that I forgot to pick up my sister. So I gotta go do that real quick. Alright guys, so we're already off to a bad start today. Today is Thursday, and I woke up this morning to a call, and it was the car place. They're like, hey, we actually need something else for your car, so it won't be ready till tomorrow. And I was like, no, I need it done by today. So hopefully they'll figure that out, get it done by today. But then I checked my phone and I saw some texts. Some people were like, hey, was your Instagram account deleted? I was like, oh no, please no. Sorry about that, my camera actually died on that last clip. But anyways, what I was saying, I had to submit the form to Facebook, you know, send a picture of myself with the code, my username, my name, and all that, sort of verify that I actually owned that account. And you know, it's pretty frustrating when that happens, because the Instagram account is something, it's a big asset for me. You know, it sort of sucks you have to rely on something like a social media platform for your business and all that kind of stuff. But I've told you guys before, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And you know, all my eggs are not in one basket, which is just Instagram. But Instagram is a very big platform for me. You know, I'm able to share my content on there. I have a pretty big following that's very active. You know, I get a lot of reach on my Instagram posts, so that sort of sucks that that happened, that's deleted. But I got in touch with a guy that actually works at Facebook, so hopefully we'll figure that out within the next day or two, get my account back up and running, and make sure that doesn't happen again, because it really sucks. I was hoping to relaunch my course this Friday, but now it's not gonna happen because I wasn't able to talk about it, you know, get people excited about it beforehand, since my account has gotten deleted. So that sucks, but you know, when everything happens, you just have to learn how to adjust and adapt to the situation. So that's what I did and what I'm doing right now. So, you know, bad day to the start. My car's almost done finally. Then I think we're gonna head to the airport and meet up with my friend Trevor. He's going to New York City on a jet, so check that out real quick. And you know, should be a good day. I'm excited for that, get everything ready. And had to take a suit to the dry cleaners, get that cleaned up for my boy Julio in Miami. And yeah, I'll be back in Florida April 1st to the 4th. Going to visit some family. I'll have the Maserati while I'm down there, so I'm excited for that. And a lot of cool stuff I'm working on under the works. Just stay out for the future. I'm working on a bunch of stuff. You know, past few days since I got back from Miami, I've just been thinking about a lot of things and, you know, trying to figure out what exactly direction I want to take, because there's a lot of paths I can take right now with my business ventures, and I'm trying to find the best one. So that's what I'm working on right now, and I will pick the best one possible. So hopefully we'll go pick up my car in a few minutes, and I'll see you guys there. Peace. All right guys, finally made it to the place to pick up my car. The wheels make it look a million times better, so here you go, the big reveal. There we go, the new wheels, they look sick. Love them, definitely gonna look good. So yeah guys, now we're off to the airport. All right guys, we made it on time. I don't know if you can hear me. The jet is right there and it's really loud. But we made it back with Trevor. Checking out the new wheels. It looks sick. I love it. Definitely looks way better. I am finally back home in the car. Had to stop and see my boy Trevor before he heads out to New York City, and then off to his house, taking a jet as always. Sort of cold outside today, but anyways, I'll go outside real quick and give you guys a better view of the wheels, because I know I didn't really give that good of an overview, and it probably won't do it justice in the videos. I'm telling you guys, it looks so clean, so clean. I'm telling you. All right, here it is. It looks so sick. Compared to the stock wheels, these look a million times better. I love it. Looks great. And I'm thinking red calipers. I don't know.
maybe eventually when I wrap the car, what I want to do with this car is, you know, I have the wheels now. I want to wrap it. I want to get a GT4 wing on the back eventually, and tint the windows is probably the next thing I want to do in my budget for right now. So now I have personal training. I got to go work out, and then I have to work on some other stuff, try and get my Instagram account back and all that stuff. So fun stuff. Hopefully you like the new wheels. I think they're sick. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.